Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Timothy from The Authentic Adventure. Today is March 12, and I'm right here with
Roy.
and
Jamie.
Jamin from the Philippines. So we have been together for 2 days. Yesterday I took them to the Cu Chi tunnels, and today I took them to the Mekong Delta. But the days before they had a lot of tours in the north of Vietnam, the central of Vietnam as well. And just for 2 days recently, we have 2 tours in the south of Vietnam. So could you please tell me what you did in the north and how you feel about that?
So,
Yeah.
hi. For the north of Vietnam, we went to Ninh Binh on our first day. Ninh Binh, we did some boat tour, and
2 hours boat tour.
2 hours boat tour, and it was very nice. The scenery is good, and also the tour was very nice. The tour guides, they're very knowledgeable and friendly.
Okay.
So it was a very easy trip for us and convenient. And after Ninh Binh, we had a trip to Sapa.
Sapa.
Yeah. And in Sapa, although the weather is not so good, we still enjoyed the trip.
Yeah.
We went to Cat Cat Village and Fancy Pan. Fancy Pan was very nice.
Yeah.
It was sunny on top, even though it's foggy at
Foggy
the,
down.
down below the clouds.
Yeah.
And what else?
13.
On the third day, we did Halong Bay Cruise. It was Le Journey, right?
The journey.
Le Journey, we had an overnight there. The cruise was nice, the people was nice, and the beach,
Yeah, the beach.
the
What's-
beach and the caves, the Songsak cave,
Yes.
surprising cave.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Okay.
So
And-
was it beautiful?
Yeah, was very. I didn't expect it to be so large cave.
Inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was a small cave, only short walking,
Mhm.
but
Yeah.
it was very long walk.
Oh yes.
What else after that?
You are coming to the central.
Yeah. After that was Danang.
Da Nang.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
Danang.
It's rich.
Again, it was raining.
Ah,
Unfortunately, 2 days of Danang, 2 days of rainy day also.
Oh, that was
But-
sad. Yeah.
But Bana Hills, we didn't see much, but our tour guide was also very nice. He's very funny. In Hoi An, Hoi An was beautiful, even though it's rainy. The lantern was
The
very-
Lantern Town. Yeah.
Lantern Town is colorful and romantic also with
Yeah.
the boat.
For a young couple like you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the last part of our trip was here in Ho Chi Minh with our very beautiful tour guide
Thank you. There you go.
and funny and charming and also a singer.
Yeah.
We ventured Cu Chi tunnels. Our tour guide is very knowledgeable. He told us a bit of history of this Cu Chi tunnels. We enjoyed the firing range,
Yeah.
except my wife.
Yeah.
She chickened out at the last minute.
She bought bullets, but she didn't shoot.
Yeah. And after that, on today, we did the Mekong Delta trip, and it was very nice.
Yeah.
The coconut
Candy.
coconut candy was very delicious,
Rice.
and
Pop. What do you call it?
Pop rice.
pop rice. And on the boat tour, our tour guide sang a song.
I did sing.
Yeah, several songs actually.
Yeah.
And we were surprised.
Oh, thank you.
He is a very good singer. And I even told him to join The Voice Vietnam if there is.
Hopefully. Okay, so tell me, which is your favorite part of Vietnam?
Oh, every part of it was good. I cannot say a specific one. I enjoyed it a lot. They have their different charms.
Đà Nẵng.
All of them.
Okay,
All
okay.
of it. North, Central, and South. I love it all.
Different beauties.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah.
So in short, how many points would you give us in 10 scale?
Oh, perfect 10. No problem.
Oh,
Very
thank
nice.
you.
Everything was smooth. Very
Okay.
detailed itineraries.
Okay. Thank you so much. So that was the review of Roy and Jamin. So thank you so much for watching, and we wish you a happy experience in Vietnam. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Yeah.